This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe Murphy. Nice 2 halves with brand new shingle and flat roof. Needs updating but has great potential. 1-car garage. Tankless water heater. Laundry room with washer and dryer. Florida room and patio area in backyard. Low monthly maintenance includes lawn care and community pool. Pool and clubhouse are right down the street. Good neighborhood is very close to Caporella Park with Tot Lot, lake views, walking trail and picnic areas. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Murphy at 954-270-5478.